An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Class 1. Subject Maths. Topic Subtraction without borrowing.
Good evening, students. Today we are going to study the subtraction of two-digit numbers without borrowing. So let's get started.
Let us learn the steps to subtract two-digit numbers without borrowing. So these are the steps to be followed while doing two-digit subtraction without borrow. First step is arrange the numbers in the boxes according to their place value, starting from ones place. So the same way we have already done in addition. First we have arranged the numbers in the boxes according to their place value. Second step is always write the bigger number on top. So whenever you are doing subtraction, remember you will always write the bigger number on top. Third step is once you have arranged the numbers, start subtracting the numbers from the ones place. So as we were doing in addition, here also we will subtract the numbers from the ones place. Let us take example number 1. Subtract 85 minus 12. So here we will begin by writing the place value. So first ones will come, then tens will come, and after this we are going to arrange the numbers. So as you all can see, 85 is a bigger number. It will come on top starting from ones place. So we will write 5 in ones column and 8 in tens column. Now we have 12. So we will write 2 in ones column and 1 in tens column. Now we have to subtract the numbers. Remember, we will subtract the numbers from the ones place. So in the ones place we have 5 and 2. So take out 5 fingers and close 2 fingers from it. So how many fingers are left now? The answer will be 3. Now let us come to tens column. So here in tens column we have 8 and 1. So now again take out your 8 fingers and close 1 from it. So now we will get 7. So the answer will be 73. Let's see example number 2. Subtract 72 minus 40. So what is the first step? Yes, we are going to write the place value. Ones and tens. Then which is the bigger number here? 72. So it will come on top. Starting from ones place, we will write 2 and then 7 in tens column. Then we have 40. So we will write 0 in ones column and 4 in tens column. Then we have to subtract these numbers. Starting from ones place again, we have 2 and 0. So now take out 2 fingers. And what is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. So you don't have to take out any number from 2. So again the answer will be 2 only, as 0 means nothing. So remember, wherever you see 0, the same number will come. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Now let us go to the tens column. We have 7 and 4 here. So take out 7 fingers and close 4 from it. How many are left? So the answer will be 3. And the final answer is 32.
I hope, children, now you all have understood very well how to do the subtraction of two-digit numbers without borrowing. So practice the questions given in your maths module very carefully. Okay children? Thank you.